Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine. Today I'm back again with another video that's related to early math binder for your children, for your little kids. It is going to be very helpful. When I was recording this video, it became too long that I had to divide it in 3 to 4 parts. So I'm uploading this first part that is related to tracing. Then soon I'll be uploading more parts. Let's start the video. Now first I'll show you the binder, that how it looks, because my daughter likes too much fancy things, so I have used glitter sheet and everything in this. It's a little bit more interest in everything that is too much glittery and fancy, so I do it because of it. So let's start with it. Now this is the first page of our early math binder. This you can see here. I have put the tracing of numbers. I have put it from 1 to 50. Here tracing numbers, you can see I have added 1 to 20. You can see here it's not coming in. See, this is 11 to 20, then this is 21 to 30. Now by mistaken, this is quite old, these numbers, because this is not binder that I have made overnight. This is the binder that I was keep maintaining. I'll show you something more also that I used to let her practice before this. This is not the thing that I came directly on this. I started this numbers and everything. You already know that I have made some early introduction of maths videos already in my on my channel. So if you want to introduce maths to your children, you can see those videos. I have 2 videos, part 1 and part 2, that will help your children like 1.5 to 2 years. You can introduce numbers to them through in that way. After that, even then I didn't come to this. Before this I used to practice with her on the daily basis, but that at that time I was not using the proper this type of binders and everything. That was very you can say in a rough way. I'll show you that also. Here let me show you my daughter's old binder that I used to let her work with. I always keep adding things in this one also. I use these sheets, but the main thing was that at that time I was using stickers. I provided her stickers and asked her to put a sticker wherever I was asking her to do some missing numbers or some counting, or writing just 1, 2, 3 wherever she wants to write numbers or something. So that was the thing I wanted to tell you, that start with this type of structure, give them stickers or something, and you can make these type of sheets at home also. It's not very difficult if you don't have Patron or you don't have the printer or something, or you can make these type of sheets also that I have made. It's very easy. Purpose of showing this binder is just you can start with your kids in any way, whatever way you want. Just start. Now let's get back to our new binder. But in this one you can see it's 1 to 50 that I have numbers. You can see this is 21 to 30, and the thing that I was telling you is that here it is difficult in this binder. It is difficult to write numbers here. So I was having these in the binder that didn't have this too much big thing like these type of clips. It was with small clips, so it was easy for her. Now when she practices, I have to take it out, put it here, and then she practices. So this is how we do it. And this is up to 50. She practices it and learns the number. Come on, let's do some numbers and math. Come on. Is it? No, it's not. provided all the printables for these practicing sheets in the description box, so you can download it from there and let your kids practice these and start and help them in starting the learning process of these numbers and maths. And this is also the tracing sheet. You can see this one also. These are the tracing numbers again. Now these you can see these papers, they look, you should be thinking that where did I take it from. So they are not from internet or somewhere. I had this book, this is the early math book. I bought it for her like 1 year ago maybe. I bought it for her. So I will show you the book also, and I will give its link also in the description box. This is just the idea. You can take any activity book. This was the that's the book. You can see the cover, and you can buy any book like this. And here Lujan is practicing again. You can see it's written, take a pencil, help the two friends meet. Two friends, this kangaroo and this kangaroo. Now what they have to do is, we have to help them in meeting, but we have to follow the order from 1 to 10. So this is also fun for kids. Yeah, we have to make path in this, okay Luju? Yeah, good job. Yay. So that's the end of our early math binder part 1. Soon I'll be uploading the remaining parts, so keep watching and get benefited, and do download these sheets. They are going to help you out a lot. And keep watching, do subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Bye bye.